How to fade audio in and out in Davinci Resolve. To begin, I added this audio to my timeline and I want to fade in or fade out this audio.
Once upon a time, there was a girl named Mia.
Move your mouse cursor to the top left of the audio until you see this icon. Drag its handle to the right to fade audio in.
Once upon a time, there was a girl named Mia who had a...
Do the same thing for the end of the audio to fade it out. If you want, you can add curves to the fade as well, by dragging this point around.
One day, she decided to move to a vibrant, diverse, and bustling city.
Now let's undo the changes and use audio transitions to fade the audio. Go to Effects panel and click on Audio Transitions. Drag and drop Crossfade plus 3 dB to the start of the audio, and change its duration by dragging its end. Drag and drop Crossfade minus 3 dB to the end of the audio, and change its duration as well.
Once upon a time, there was a girl named Mia who moved to a vibrant, diverse, and bustling city to pursue...
Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.